Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to plan your month in minimalist way. If you are a beginner and overwhelmed by so many references, then this video is perfect for you. Being minimalist, I always believe that less is more. Don't get carried away by so many planning pages. Just try to keep it short and clean. So today I will show you how to plan your month to finish your monthly goals with my favorite planner. This is extremely simple yet well composed planner. I already made a review on my channel. Link is in the description box. Check that video. So without further ado, let's jump onto the video. First point is monthly overview or monthly planning. Here you will see month at a glance. Your appointments, goals, things to do, etc. will be written here. Left side of the page you will see goals, things to do and habit trackers. Here you won't track your habit, but you will write the list of habits you want to track. You all have yearly goals. Then divide it into monthly goals and write it here. Then write down things to do to achieve those goals. Or you can write the list of things you need to do this month. This month I have quite a few things to do, like making portfolio, travels, etc. In habit tracker, you have to write down all those habits you are trying to build and want to track it down. And on those date boxes, you will write your appointments or birthdays or any important work you need to remember. So this is month at a glance. Here you will write mainly your goals, appointments or any important work. Next is weekly planning. When you divide your monthly task or goals into weekly goals and weekly goals into daily goals, it becomes easy to achieve your goals. On the left hand side, you will see goals, things to do, habit tracker. I always focus on weekly goals, like this month I have to finish 3 product shoots or make 1 YouTube video or 4 Instagram posts or 7 cold mails, etc. I always prefer this journal because everything is at one page. You can see your goals, things to do and habit tracking and daily planning option. When you write your weekly goals or things to do, then easily you can decide which day you want to do particular that work. After moving here, I am taking little bit time to be consistent on. So this month I just want to track my 5 habits. Meditation, skincare, water intake, journaling and exercise. Now move on to daily planning. It is just one box where you will write your daily task. It is extremely simple, no other columns or rows are added. So every weekly page has 7 boxes for 7 days. Here date is mentioned, so it is very easy to understand. In same weekly page on the right hand side, you will see accomplishment, learning and gratitude. You can write it every day or you can write weekly. Every day one line will be easier, like what is today's accomplishment or what you have learned today or today's gratitude, etc. Next page is note. After every weekly page, you will see notes page. Here mainly I write about my plans, storyboard for my brand shoot or miscellaneous things. You can write your thoughts or write any records you would like to track. Sixth is monthly review. Monthly self-improvement question is very important, I believe, if you want to grow in your life. When you keep asking yourself deep questions, you become more clear where you are standing right now. How is your progress, etc. The questions I always ask myself, these are: how was this month? Did I work for my goal? Things I need to improve. what didn't go as my plan, what lessons I learned from this month. Overall, am I satisfied with how this month went? Why or why not? And last is budget planning. Here I write down all my expenditure. It is extremely important for me to track down because it's been 2 months I'm here, but I'm not able to understand our basic expenditure, because when you move, at first you spend so much money, then slowly it gets reduced. So yeah, it is important for me to track down, but if you feel you don't need to track your expenditure, so you can skip this part. So this is how I plan my month. It is very simple but extremely clear. So I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, please write down in the comment section. Thank you so much for unconditional love and support. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.